Hey guys, good evening. Today is Monday and this is what's for dinner. So I made a roasted some chicken pesto sausage, red bell pepper, asparagus and onions. On the side I made some 3 cheese tortellini and top it off with bacon mushroom Alfredo sauce. So this is gonna be what's for dinner Monday.
What's up everybody? Today is Tuesday and this is what's for dinner. So we made a Filipino style mung bean. Boiled the mung beans. That's kale from our garden. She has a chicharron in there as well. Typically we'll either use the chicharron. Lately we've been using a lot of the little dried shrimp that we got at the Asian store. And we have some pork shoulder. So cut up pieces of pork shoulder, garlic salt and pepper. And then this is a Filipino, this is marinated vinegar. This is coconut vinegar. And it's got some chili, garlic. This has actually got a little bit of ginger in it as well. And then, you know, salt and pepper. It's really good with the fried pork. Dip it in here. And then the acidity, the vinegar, it cuts, you know, it kind of cleans up, you know, a lot of the greasiness, the fatty taste. So it cleans it up. That's a lot of Filipino food, has a lot of vinegar in it. So when you eat something fatty, you usually have like a side of vinegar or you dip it in the vinegar to cut that fat. So this is what's for dinner Tuesday. What's up everybody, today is Wednesday and this is what's for dinner. Gizle stopped by Costco, so we got rotisserie chicken from Costco, heat it up in the oven. Simple salad, romaine lettuce, we have fresh avocado, garlic stuffed olives, tomato, cheese, hard-boiled egg. And I've got some jalapenos on mine. And this is what's for dinner Wednesday.
Try one.
What's up everybody?
Okay. Take 4.
What's up everybody? Today is Friday and this is what's for dinner. It's a homemade sweet and sour pork. This is pork shoulder. We cube it up and it's got a lot of fat in it, and when it fries up, it stays nice and moist, tender, juicy. It's the same batter that we use in our salt and pepper pork. Just cornstarch. You're gonna whip up an egg white, some salt in it, whip it up until it's really frothy. Add your pork, put it in the fridge, let it marinate for a little bit, and then once you take it out, add the cornstarch and you cut it well and deep fry. We have some green bell pepper, some white onion, and then some carrot. You can make them decorative if you want. So you're gonna saute those in a pan. Obviously cut them at a bigger, cut them a little bit bigger, about an inch or inch and a quarter. Saute those in the pan. Once the pork's ready, add that to the vegetables. And then we made a homemade sweet and sour sauce, about a quarter cup of ketchup, half a cup of white sugar, I think about like a half a cup of white distilled vinegar. So we didn't have any. We just added a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and then we used a pina colada. So it's just some marinated coconut vinegar, something like that from the Philippines. So it's got like a little heat because it got some chilies in there, some garlic, and some ginger. So typically if you make this, you want to have some ginger. Since we didn't, you can actually get some ginger bits in there from the pina colada. So it's got a little bit of a kick, so unlike just normal white vinegar. So serve this with some white rice, and this is what's for dinner Friday.
I know this one looked like water. This one looked like water as well. And this one looked like water. Yes, this is water. This one is raspberry Italian cream soda. And I have a raspberry ginger beer. So I got eggplant parmesan with bread and Napoli salad.
Enjoy.
And what did you get?
The funky pizza. I forget what it has on it. Let's see. Mushroom. Basil. I don't know. Parmesan.
Fungi. It's fungi.
Mozzarella. Smoked mozzarella.